Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
What's up, guys? What's up?
What's up, guys?
Yeah, we're there in the weather like crazy. Another storm time again.
And I'm driving like I can barely see.
You have to put the drive on the road there, I swear. Yeah, you know when you're gonna put on one, look up, you have to pass your granny glasses and put on and blurry. I say look out there, I swear.
Try and stay in your lane because the rain is normal.
So if you guys keep it safe, you know, getting the water and stuff, you know. The stormy time so over still, you know. Easy back. But a good thing, say good to get a rest and thing, you know. I mean, if you got work today, I'm gonna get a call, say yo, everything close off. I'm gonna say, yeah man, you can get some rest and thing, you know.
Yeah, but you must be wondering like why we're out here driving.
That way I'm mad people. Second stormy time over here. Second time. Second time. We're there, we get storm.
You know the name of this storm?
I know the storm, man.
What do you mean you don't know the name of this storm?
I know the name of the storm.
It's a girl this time.
Oh, so it's a girl, so she'll make a flood out. That's why rain not going so billions, because she'll flood out.
Her name is Nicole.
Go on, Nicole, go and flood out, but don't kill her off it. Nicole finally lost her virginity.
So disgusting.
Anyway, guys. Yeah. You have to see with me, guys. That's why I don't make trouble here, so. You understand me?
What's going on this weekend?
Yeah, a lot going on this weekend. I don't know. I have a little plan for my son for his birthday, cause Monday I'm birthday and thing. We can't play book again. Yes, Sky Zone. So it's like, just drop in a comment and just, you know. Because I see picture, you know what I say. I see a couple things on YouTube and Sky Zone thing, and I look interesting. So I think you might love it still, you know. Yeah, man. And big up all the Scorpion them. You understand? All the Scorpion them, you see it? I phone them on this. Yeah, you do. Kids are the future, we have to make them enjoy the request, you know. Okay, right now you saw me get old right now. I'm oldest man. Old man. So I feel go up with my cane and stuff, you know. I can feel the cramp in my back them already and such thing. No. Yo, for you get kids, that's how I get old.
You have cramp in your back?
So you know when you reach that age, just start feel cramping in your back and them stuff there, you know? I worry about me, you know? Worry about me, no cramp.
I'm always tired.
Yeah.
My job is never done.
That's a woman's job, you understand? Your job can never done. Just play. And you know guys, just as I says, we notice I want to keep on beat me up for that video there with me and my son, you know? You hear what that show around and think about it and such thing. Like I say, if any guys, if when they watch a video to the end and such thing, they say it was a prank and such thing. I don't know. Cause an idea, you don't know some source start leak over my side, you don't know. They, like them always say, when you start YouTube, the first person that try bash you and such thing always come from what close to you, like your own family them and stuff, you understand? Yeah. Because you can know so we are pushing thing to the best, because any idea we're not in touch with K yet, and we don't have a bad mind and sneak over our side already. You understand? You can go and watch, because now see him more. And no, I'm not going to remove the video so you can burn on some more. I want to know on yourself. I'm not calling a name, I'm not important. Yeah. You know how much energy you want to put that in a even open a little business on yourself? That's so sad. Every year, everybody grow past and just stay one spot. But I'm telling these people, you see, if every year you make a different change and growth, and you on one spot, and you're not going away, it don't make no sense. And if you're not in one relationship and a person did not grow with you, and you see them are pulling you down, you just have to drop it. Understand? Not how much you love that person, because he not elevate, she not elevate, it don't make no sense. I tell that straight. Yeah, you know, going on 1 year, every year, and you're stuck on one spot like a scratch record. You know what I mean? Uplift people, that's me, straight. Right? But really and truly, every year people have to elevate themselves, right? Right, straight.
Well, public clothes. I did some gum. I love gum.
Right now, yes. Let me tell you. So right now, I don't do well with a bucket of chicken. I not have no bucket of chicken over here, so no. Like Jamaican bucket of chicken, I do well right now.
I'll go fly to Jamaica. Go buy a bucket of chicken. See the solve the solution.
Okay.
Solve the problem, see the solution. Yeah.
Okay, then can't see chicken and it come like then nothing put season on it at all, man.
Alright.
No season at all. Nice bucket of chicken, you know.
I want something for my child, even though I've been eating very good, because boot camp has been doing the body well. So I make sure I know what I'm putting in the body is correct.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, she's doing boot camp. She's doing boot camp. Yo, when I say boot camp, I don't bother. Because me say it, I must in the army she go when they say boot camp and things. Yeah. But they do real good workout thing. We see improvement on her and thing. So they do real workout and thing. Yeah.
I challenge myself to 2 months of boot camp. So girl can get nice again. Yeah. And in her belly skin. Yeah.
Because I come over here like build up and such thing, and then see me start work and such things, like everything just drop back down. I said, yo, man, it's crazy. I need to build up back my body, man, yeah? Channel. Yeah, build up back my body, because I come over here well thick up and firm up and thing, and then
Essentially,
you know, people drop in and comment. You are
when
work.
you're not working.
Yeah,
You know how
when-
much people come to boot camp right after work? You know how much people, man, woman, want something at a target?
Like
I
what?
can't bother stuff. No, nothing really for munch, right?
I mean, a sweetie, I go go try it.
I don't want a sweet.
You say you want something sweetie.
I want gum. The gum will cure. Oh God, mama's coughing. Yeah, so I have mamas with us, you know.
I should do around that back around this. Just want she wake right now, because when she wake up hungry, that start talking. Hungry start talking. I tell you, that only time them catch them coward. You know, like when we are here, say Storm, we know if you close it, we still want to make we look mickle, you know? Just time I come in, no man, but some pumpkin there, so can't sell, man.
Open door.
So just open.
Yeah, no look like nobody there at the target.
Yeah. You don't know how we do it here, we still try to make a little money all when this time I blow.
Yeah, the target closed.
Yeah, man, but them coward, it's like them glad this time I come for the work and lock off.
A public session has stopped. I would have found something. Because they close at 10.
Tired me, they hurt me and thing. And I go drink, I go take 2 shots on top of it. And I say I want to take 1 pill, but I can't take no pill after me take 2 shots of it. And thing. I'm mad, man. I go take shot to stop the headache. When it help it make get worse.
No No, sir.
No, cause yo, honestly, you know, I tell me that hurt me and such thing, you know. I always take look at something just easier, you know, but I don't know, it just. I tell me I get old here, so my grandfather already.
Just keep calm out.
I suck you up. Yeah, guys, you don't just like and subscribe, I don't know.
Oh, we want to do like a question video. So I want you guys to put in the comment section some comments, or not comments, some questions that you would like to ask us, because we want to do a video answering some of those questions.
Yeah, I'll make sure I'm
most of them to the best of our ability.
Yeah. I'll make sure I'm coming the major one. If she can't answer the major one, me answer, because I'm afraid that no.
You want to give people things to chat to. Got it. Makes lots of sense.
Freedom of speech.
It's not a freedom of speech. You have to have sense to know you can't give out information for people to come back and use it against you. You couldn't have a PR working for you. They would have been like, I'm done working for you. I can't bother you. I'm just gonna sink us all.
But seriously, me onside, guys, I don't know people don't shade up here or want to fake out them thing. When they do them thing around here. I'm not going to ask certain things what everybody do. You understand? That too bland. You understand?
What do you mean what everybody do?
You know, give me something, ask me something like old type box. Well,
essentially questions that they would want to know about us. Personal questions.
Yeah. And if we're not going to ask something where we could have did see for the first time when we introduce how we meet, we're not going to ask back. If we don't ask back, that's the same thing we ask back. So you still want to go watch a video still. But I see a lot of you guys are watching the video, but most of you guys not subscribing. I would like to shove it and subscribe, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, because subscribe should not kick up just like the views, you understand? Share the video. Share the video, you understand? Share the video. Because I respect all who subscribe to, you know, big up on yourself. You know, so I'm going to spread it a little bit and I'm going to sleep. Say you have a cookie, then why you don't eat the cookie? That's sweet, son. See, you put something in the house, but you're not use it.
I'm not eating things like that, right?
So
I eat it. You know that about me. I eat the same way.
Who eat the cookie?
We eat one every other day or so. Even yesterday, right now, yesterday I eat half of what I did work the day before. So I'm eating.
I don't see lime, well, we call it lime something when we eat, so.
You do it with everything.
Yeah, me eat it when I get clear light, then after I'm done clear light, then move to something next. Then when I feel like you go back to it. I say you have to do, I say you eat in a life.
No, that's not how you eat, that's unhealthy.
When me I say eat, you eat. If you see something you love, you eat it, you clear light.
No, Charek, that doesn't make sense.
It makes sense, right?
It doesn't.
Yeah, and say me eat certain things and they say me never want it. Because me clear light no more and try something.
So why you have to eat something for clear light?
I saw me eat.
I say you just meet a woman and dung in her and be clear light?
No, the part they kind of serious. Because I had we around, she tell me if you are going out every meet. So that part they hurt me. Because I'm dung in her every meet. So, God, you not give me a little time for rest. The only time I get my time for rest is when I depart my time a month. That's the only time you not trouble. But once he time a month pass, boom, I use that gone back in it again. So, the part there, I don't be tired. She tired of me. Yeah, because she don't want no more.
When do you get Clyde? Like you Clyde a food? You don't get Clyde?
Me not tell you when I eat it too when I get Clyde. I feel that's the beauty of life.
Only food you do, sir?
Yeah, that's food. Definitely food. What else?
That was a rough landing.
I must play with the party one.
Oh, God. You say you don't want nothing?
I don't know, man. Like I said, I'm betting at 200 already. I'm not a guest step, but let me tell you something.
Much people are what going?
And then so what do you see out there? Them people have a guard gym, you know?
You're so awfully mean.
Alright, them weighty. That better? Them weighty.
They're just a little
You see it?
plumpy.
Me not fat shame
That
them.
is what fat shaming is.
Me not shame them. Me I motivate them to go to gym.
No, you're fat shaming.
You ever when somebody look at you and say, yo, you know become nothing in your life, and you work hard and show them say, yo, me become something in your life.
No,
It's a motivation. It's like a skill set. You know them way there? It's like a skill set.
yeah, fat shaming. I know where I'm at now, so I can end this.
Okay. So guys, reach a public. So we are going to get some stuff around here. So
I went in for a few things and here I am, and I know say my cost. I took one? He said I went shopping. I just got a few things. You see, look here, men do not appreciate women getting the things that are necessary until when they need it. Oh, right. When I have this, when I have that. But then when a woman make your life comfortable, you have no problem. You upset? Oh, okay. Alright guys, finally home. We are home. Savior. Something. So those are a little bit of groceries that I got. So we're hiding from the camera. But yeah. Savior. Daddy don't feel well? Yeah, you gonna help me with the bags?
Come, Savior. Come.
What's that?
So this camera feel where you push me?
What's that? Save.
Come. Alright, it's all good. Steer. It's all good. Bye. Bye. Alright. Nobody come. Me tell you something, nobody come. Nobody come. Alright, man, I go up there, so come. Come, I go up there, so come. Come.
These are different. That's it.
Check if you want to know.
No problem. 2 of these per day. And then I have this one for the gym. You're sexy. Yeah, I see. We had Owen try on some of the things. And husband is somewhere. Sarah's in the kitchen cleaning up. There she is. Say hi to the vlog. Why are you hiding? That's that on that. Oh, there's husband. You want to say bye to the vlog?
Bye guys. Bye. Ready. One thing. See you guys when we see you, no?
In another video.
Another video.